Hi, Robin with Oxy-Dry, and here I am. I am about to clean this carpet, so we're going to give it a good vacuuming. A lot of spots and stains on this carpet actually, so I know it was vacuumed. I know the guy that runs this building. This is a empty suite that he's getting ready to rent, but I'm going to vacuum it anyway because I do. And there's a lot of spots, actually a lot of spots, and that was his concern, obviously, that he wanted to address these stains. He's been getting these suites seam clean, but he's been finding the guy that's been doing it just doesn't seem to be very good at getting out all these spots and stains. He just kind of leaves them and says, you need to replace the carpet, but it's just too darn expensive to replace the carpet, and the carpet's not actually worn out, so there's no point in doing that. This is a good carpet. The only real issue that I saw in it was in the living room. That looks like there's some bleached out spots, which I can't fix, obviously. But anyway, we're gonna give it a good vacuum and then I pre-treat all the spots and stains. This is actually a fairly large unit. And this guy really keeps his buildings. He owns or manages a few buildings, and he keeps them very, very well. We actually rented an apartment off him 15 years ago when we first moved to Kelowna from Penticton. About a year after we moved here, we went into an apartment for a couple of years, and he was managing the apartment, and it was a really nice place actually. Not far from where I'm at here. But anyway. Let's put that aside. And now I gotta go and treat all these stains. There is actually quite a lot of them. And in fact, I probably have to go and get more suspend here. Because this is just the first room. This is a nylon, so that's good. And he was concerned about all these little black spots. And there seems to be an awful lot of them. Not sure what that would be from. I forgot to check how much I had in this trigger spare before I came up into this condo, so I may have to go down and refill this bottle. Maybe not, but we'll see. But there's a lot of spots here. My goodness. Look at that, eh? Spot after spot after spot. I think the person that was in here had lived here for quite a while. He said Don't think that, oh yeah, there was one in here. Over there, yeah. Okay. So I got that one and this one to do. So yeah, they've got some bleached out spots here. Okay, I think I'll let you go because that's basically what I'm doing, vacuuming and then pre-treating. I thought I'd show you how I kind of do that. I don't usually go ahead and pre-agitate with something like, I know some guys use a drill or whatever with a brush on. I never do that. I don't see any point of it actually. But anyway, so I'll let you go. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.